So we just got into the hotel at Interstellar. We have literally just come down this corridor. It is huge. We're trying to find our room.
No wonder everyone was...
Pull it out.
What?
Whoa, I thought that was a room. Oh, wow. This is cool. Oh, wicked. Look where we are.
That's
Fucking
a big
giant window. Wow. There's the parking. Oh, I think this is cool.
This is for the gym. They sit parking up here.
No, yeah,
You're
but
sitting only.
you say only, does it? Not here.
No.
That's cool. So, we're in Kiel, and now we're gonna go adventure and have a few drinks, wine. Sarah's happy now, see? Happy Sarah. Love you. Right, let's go adventure. Where are we, Sarah Barra?
Kiel.
Kiel. We just stopped in our hotel. We are now walking to find food, beer, and all the goodness. Yes? Yes. Yes, yes. Puss, puss. To Sarah. Where are we?
Mangoes.
Mangoes. We've been walking for about 20 minutes and then all of a sudden we just came to Mangoes. Mangoes. And we ordered one house pizza, salami, and a wine, and then a house brewed beer from Hamburg.
Yeah. Not house brewed, but yeah.
Locally brewed beer.
Locally German brewed beer.
German beer. German beer.
Hey, sleepy.
So we just finished
Hey,
dinner
hey.
in
Hey. I love you.
love you. In Kiel.
Kiel.
Kiel. Oh, it's a big stick. Sarah had a couple of glasses of wine. There was a rescue hook over there too. Sarah had some wine. I have had one beer.
German beer.
And we had half a pizza.
Hamburg.
And it was fantastic. And now we're walking. We're walking
we didn't
along.
have half a pizza. We shared a pizza.
We shared a piece. I had half each. We're walking. Now we're walking home to the hotel.
The bird can stand there.
He probably can stand there. He's floating. Now we're walking down from the restaurant, which is in the town, somewhere in there. And now we're going to walk all the way back along the water, past the big boats, to the hostel. And then somewhere. There's a fountain down there too. We'll see the water in the middle bubbling.
Where the bird is playing.
Yeah. Fuck, that's filthy. Ugh. Don't go in there. No wonder that bird's broke. Ugh. No wonder the birds are huge here. They're like radioactive. But no, we are heading, and I just found out the legal drinking age is 16 for wine and beer. And I'm just like, what? 16?
Early in Germany. Like Dad used to go buy alcohol to the parents when he was down visiting here.
Yeah, I can understand
at like
buying.
7 go and buy beers and
Look, there's more seats.
alcohol.
More seats. It's everywhere. Come with us.
Ow.
Ow. Ow. Ow. So yeah, now we're walking to the hotel. Puss, puss. And it's been fun so far. Lots of things to do.
Look at the one going onto the boat.
Where?
The glass.
Oh, the walkway. That's one hell of a walkway.
Yeah, I know. It's so far. Just
Crazy.
to get on the boat.
On the
boat.
boat. On the boat. We're halfway home. Sarah loves wine.
Woo.
She's balancing on everything.
Great.
There's Intercity, that's where we're going.
Yeah, we're almost
Sarah Bear is balancing and having jolly old fun. We were just talking about all the good things we bought her today. What did we buy you?
Singlet.
Yeah.
And singlet.
And
cozies.
and
singlet.
and
Singlet.
and
No, that was it.
oh, that was it.
And some food.
And lots of food to fill the belly
But that was for you as well.
of the beast. And Sarah's balancing, and now I'm balancing.
You really liked the salmon thing we had.
We had the most amazing salmon dish, right? And where was it?
I don't know, at the harbour.
At the harbour where her dad told us to go. And the sauce was amazingly spicy. Ooh, it was like on a scallop dish, and it was just amazingly
It was
beautiful.
potato. It was like the hash brown.
It was like a hash brown. It was basically a hash brown, like scallops,
With smoked salmon.
how we have it at home.
Fresh salmon.
Fresh salmon, lots of fresh
Like-
salmon.
It's not like the smoked salmon you get in the shop.
Oh hell no,
It's like really fresh, big slices of fresh salmon.
much better.
And then, I don't know the English word, but it's called pepperrot in
Pepperrot.
Swedish. And they had made a creamy sauce with pepperrot in it.
Pepperot.
And it was amazing.
It was
and the
amazing.
sauce came in a little starfish tray.
I know, and it came like 4 of them. I'll put a picture in the photo later. But it was like amazingly beautiful with a beautiful girl.
Bzz,
Bzz,
bzz.
bzz. Wah.
Oh, train tracks.
Train tracks, ding 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 ding. Where? They quit there? Is that where they quit?
Yeah.
They just turn around and
They
go,
just stopped there.
I quit.
Yeah.
Alright, that's where they quit then.
People thought it was hilarious. I said I quit at 5, and they're like, "What? You mean you finished at 5?" And I'm like, "No, I quit at 5."
Quit at 5.
And I'm like,
Sarah
they're like,
speaks
"What?"
great Australian. Great
Quit.
Australian.
And I'm like, "No, quit."
Quit. I finish. I
Oh,
finish.
Piano, that's the famous for the town we gone to.
Have you? So this is the bridge that we can see from our place.
Through. Look at this dinner line.
There's heaps of pictures of boats in here too.
You can just big boats on that side, and they wouldn't get down to this bridge.
Nay, nay, nay. Here comes the ferry. It's all wet.
It's
It's
weird.
all wet. Thank God I'm wearing my DC gum boots. Oh, it wobbles.
No, I can feel it. It's
Yeah, it wobbles. Look at the rope.
That's the rope.
We can make the rope wobble. Wait, there's a hotel.
Heavy.
Sarah, we're both heavy. Look, there's all the old wooden boats in the lock.
Oh,
How cool is that?
that's nice.
Is that? It is deep here. Look at the wooden boots. The steps all the way there too. Cool is this?
Even nicer from this side, hey?
It is. Come over here, bub.
Do you think it will open for
Look,
this butt?
blue line. It's not going to open for the butt, but that butt is going to go there.
Oh,
It's going to go there
why?
because that's where it lives.
Oh. I'm sad now.
Why?
It's not gonna open for the butt.
Oh, Sarah Bella, not so happy for Sadie. Oh, do you want a kiss? Would a
Yes.
kiss make it feel better? Beautiful blue
I
eyes.
still hope they will open the bridge for the butt.
Why open it? Just drive straight into it.
Nah, that's not as fun.
It's exciting. Chaos.
Look at the trees, they look dead.
They look dead. Look, here it is. Wow.
Look, touching the butt.
It's really thick in there. That's Sarah for you.
What, you would have done the same. I can feel the vibration from it. No, not up there.
And you can feel it here too. That's so cool. Yeah. Try your best Australian accent. Go!
On what?
Anything. Best Australian accent. Come on. Go!
Nej!
Best Swedish accent. Go!
Det kan jag.
Ja.
Är du god eller?
Best Swedish accent. Go!
Är du god eller?
There's a big park up there.
big?
My GoPro. Big park up there. Back to the bridge. Miss Puddly Puddles playing with the puddles. She's crazy, man. She's crazy.
Så är jag.
Puss to puss. Crazy for you, darling. Crazy for you. And they call it puppy love. Ooh. I love you, darling.
Hejdå.
Hey, dog. That's Sarah Barra. Where are we, Sid? It's crazy. Ready? Get the door for me. Oh, nothing like coming home. Day 2, 3. Day 3? Day 3.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Breakfast time.
Breakfast time. Breakfast adventure. We have no clue. So we just came into this place.
Breakfast.
We got 1 chocky muffin, 1 roll, 2 sandwiches. They had a sandwich there that was just raw meat.
With raw onion on
With
top.
raw onion. And that was it. It was horrifically crazy. You excited?
Of course you had to ask what it is.
I had to ask. They had to ask everyone what just translated in English. It was crazy.
Hejdå.
Nom, nom, nom. How was breakfast, babe?
Awesome.
Awesome. Look,
I feel energized.
Aussie dollar. And it's not a real Aussie dollar.
It's Aussie kangaroo.
It's a fake Aussie dollar. Breakfast was great. What did you have? I had a sandwich of love and death from Sarah. And I had a muffin that was dry as a motherfucker. But now we're on the skywalk, heading towards the mall to find that amazing coffee shop. Not coffee, ice cream shop we found yesterday. It's very quiet for being a Saturday. But like all European towns, no one actually is alive until 10 or 11 or 12.
Yeah, we
It's
have a
always
later
just
peak.
Later everything. So
But what's surprising is how quiet it was last night. Like it was a Friday night.
I know. And it was dead. We were like the only people on the street. Hey dog. She's too impatient. She wants ice cream right now, so she goes into the shop before it even opens. She wants ice cream bad. It's 10 o'clock in the morning and she's like, ice cream! It's like, yeah, okay. Ice cream. So our plan is today to leave here, Kiel, head up to, I'll be back.
Wow.
No, very different. Never had that back home.
No. Look at it.
What'd you get, Baradera Sarah? Look
Special
at it.
ice cream. Here.
Special ice cream. What'd you get?
So this is coconut and pineapple.
Yeah.
And this is mint chocolate. But
Yeah.
it's all blue.
It's all blue. And we had black chocolate, didn't we?
No, black vanilla.
Black vanilla.
No.
Nom, 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 nom.
Try this.
Ah. Minty.
It's good though.
Minty. Very minty. All Sarah's. Alright, where to now? Back to the hotel? Mm-hmm. To the hotel and then onwards to Denmark. See you. Hey door.
Hey dog.
Hey door. So here's the train station. Sarah, ice cream, coffee. There's all the boats. There's our hotel. And it's busy as here. This port city is huge. Boats rocking up every 10 minutes. And there's the train. that's about to leave.
It left its carriages there.
Push, push.
Push.
Adorable.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. She's always happier when you just give her ice cream, eh? It just works. Life is just so much easier with ice cream.
You know how to make me happy.
Ice cream. Lots and lots and lots of ice cream.